Hidden camera charger, USB spy camera, 1080p HD, motion detection with alarm feature. Ideal nanny cam, spy cam. This hidden camera is an ideal choice for keeping your loved ones protected. Checking up on your elderly or kids. Totally portable. Use and record video from anywhere. This camera is not only functional as a surveillance camera, but it is a USB charger as well. This nanny cam comes with a free app that is easy to install on your smartphone, laptop, or tablet, allowing you to view live streaming anytime you need to. With a 2.4G Wi-Fi, and with our easy design, your camera will be ready and fully set up within minutes. This USB spy camera features 1080p HD image with a high-quality lens, providing real-time video of what's happening in your home. The ultra-wide 150-degree viewing angle provides an optimal range and enhanced visibility, avoiding dead angles. The system has motion detection and push notifications, letting you know when there is motion in your home. This multi-purpose camera is totally portable. Take it with you when you travel or on business trips. This security spy cam has two ways of recording your video, manually or automatically. To record automatically, all your videos can be stored on a micro SD card, up to 128 gigs. So stop worrying. Get the hidden camera charger.